In this guide, I will talk you through Color Refresh, which is our nourishing hair masks with developed pigments. Color Refresh can be used in so many ways, and today I will guide you through how to use it as a standalone treatment in the salon. By adding this service on your menu, you're giving your clients the opportunity to maintain their hair color in between visits in a cost-effective and quick way. This service is also a perfect add-on to a regular cutting service or blow dries or styling. The purpose of this service is, of course, to boost the hair with a lot of new pigments, but also to boost the hair with shine and moisture. Color Refresh contains a lot of amazing ingredients and has the pH of 5 to 5.5, the same as the hair's natural pH. We have wheat protein for a long-lasting conditioning effect, argan oil to strengthen the hair and give further shine. And as we all know, hair masks can be heavy on the hair. By using Color Refresh that has panthenol, we also give the hair volume and body. In this film, I will guide you through when I'm working on my model to refresh her color. As you can see, she has an amazing brown color, but she has been sun-kissed during the summer. This is a perfect example on when you don't need the full color service and can choose Color Refresh instead. I will work with the shade Cacao, which is a natural brown. Before adding Color Refresh, I wash the hair with selected shampoo and towel dry it. If the hair is filled with water, it will not be able to absorb the Color Refresh as much as I want it to. Since Color Refresh has the pH of 5 to 5.5, we are always applying it in between shampoo and conditioner. I'm applying the Color Refresh in sections for a more controlled application, and I'm also working with a comb to make sure I reach every strand of the hair. The processing time is 10 minutes to reach the result I want, but the processing time can always be adjusted regarding to your desired result. I'm rinsing the Color Refresh out and adding selected conditioner. Depending on the quality of the hair and the processing time, this result will last 4 to 10 washes. It's so easy for the client to buy the same Color Refresh to bring home to maintain the result in between the visits, or just get back to the salon after a few weeks for a new service. As I said in the beginning, this is the perfect service to add on to a regular cutting service or blow dry, both for you as a business person and for your client's result. And now we have this amazing result. All of the sun-bleached and dry ends are history. We have in less than 1 hour giving new life to this wonderful hair.